So since attending grit training, I've personally taken a lot into my role, and I've used it to kind of reflect on how I communicate with other professionals. You know, as a tutor, I work with lots of other professionals, either internally or externally, and at times it may feel like I'm not doing enough. And actually, on reflection, that was from what I've learned from the grit training, is that actually that was my internal monologue there, and it's not that I wasn't doing enough. It's that I've taken from an interaction or an email a negative aspect of that, and actually a lot of it's been quite positive. And you know, for me, it's more of an internal, you know, that working with my internal monologue and saying that actually I am doing a good job, and you know, and reaffirming to myself that I am, you know, I'm doing a good job as a tutor. So for me as a tutor, it's helped me to listen more and listen more effectively. So taking time to really work through what the issue might be, to help them to identify, well, is it something that someone has said, or is it something that they have they've made into a bigger situation from their own kind of processing of that. So yeah.